Okay folks, I'm planning a trip to Ireland and planning to go to maybe at least 20 county. So that would be Dublin, Galway, Cork, Limerick, the Rings of Kerry, and many more. As you can see, I do my nails every time that I am going to a different country. My last trip was February in Kenya and Peru in April. I still yet to put up those videos, but this is what I packed to go to Dublin. So I did 3 pants. I actually iron it and have it clean, but this pants is from REI, and this is one. I like these pants. There's a lot of pockets. This is from REI Corp. I like it because there's a lot of pockets, and because we're going to be traveling to different counties. So 1, 2, and I carry kind of sweatpants that I brought from Kenya with 2 pockets. So these are the 3 pants that I'm taking with me to Ireland. And what I also did is that I took this sweater, which you could actually, throw it on like this and keep it on. And with this sweater, this is my compact bag that everything fit. So I'm gonna open it up because I want to show you what I put, what I'm taking. Okay, so here I have this, and this could go under anything. You could wear the pants, you could wear a top. So I have this. I'm carrying the long pants because it seems to get cold there. So this pants I brought from France. If you want to see the name, this is the name. You could actually Google it and see. It's very soft and it's gonna keep me warm. I'm taking this top. I like this. You could dress it up, dress it down. You could wear it anything and it's gonna look nice. This I also brought from Madewell. I like it. I'm taking this pink top I brought from Express. It's pretty cool. It's gonna look dressy, and if I put it over this, it would look really nice. I'm taking this from Banana Republic, green. I'm taking, this is another top that I brought from Nike Runners, and I like it because it has pockets on the side. It's for hiking because I told you we're going to be going to a lot of different county. I like this. I could dress up to go to the Temple Bar and walk Dublin. I have this white shirt here. All right, so this is all short sleeve. I have not took any long sleeve. This is another one. And again, this is from Ann Taylor. And this is what I did. I packed them, fold them pretty small. And I packed them in my little bag. So this way when I get there, I know that all my tops are actually in one little bag. So a lot of them is silk, and like I told you, this one is also from Express. They're kind of dressy. I'll iron them when I get there. We'll be there for 1 month in Ireland. We'll be staying 1 month. We rented an apartment. So you guys could stay tuned, subscribe, like my videos. I'll be putting up all the things that we're doing in Ireland. I showed you this one. I folded pretty small. I like the cute pattern because what happened is that it's organized and you could tell where to get it. it's not really. See, I like it like this, and I put it like this. Again, I showed you this. This you could dress up, you could dress down, and once I put it over the sweatshirt, it would really fit nice. Again, this I'm going to wear under those pants that I showed you in case it get cold, because Ireland usually kind of get cold and rainy and windy. You could see the 4 seasons in one day. Again, I like this. I could dress up, dress down. And this is what I packed to go to Ireland with those pants for 1 month. Again, you see everything fits really nice. See, there you go. It's pretty good. So that's my tops. I'm also have this little one here. I have this one more shirt, and I have this pretty dress top, this pretty dress under. I think I brought this from, actually look guys, it says Copenhagen. When I was in Copenhagen, look, Copenhagen. I brought this from Copenhagen. So I'm taking this. These are actually bras from this company. I like to carry these bras because these bras, they dry very quickly. See, it's see-through. Okay, I had spoke about these panties before. Same thing, they quick dry. It's $150 per panty though, but you can look up the website. This one I got from Glossier. These are pretty good, but these are better. So these are the one. This is another one that I got from this company. So, and then I packed all these, all my undies here. So this way it's easy to be found. And again, I'm going to use this. That would be dressed up for every top that I took. I also want to let you know I'm carrying a scarf because you could dress the scarf up however you feel like. And of course, I'm taking my flag. I'm going to start taking pictures with my Trinidad and Tobago flag. Again, and you could use this anyhow. Like you could wrap it up, put it across your nose, make it around here, your neck. It's really nice. That's what I'm packing to go. I also want to show you some of the supplies that I pack. For my hair, I try to carry this root touch-up. I like this one in Glow All. It's like a stick. It's not messy. It's really good. I take this with me. I also have this product here which you could use to touch up your hair. See, that's how it is. I also have this little bag that I have all my supply in. This works for when your foot catch cramps. I carry a lip balm, picks, needles, soap. I like to carry SPF. This is my perfume bottle that I carry, Chanel. I carry Tide in case my clothes get dirty. This is a little bottle that I have some oil in. Some more 60 SPF. I like to carry airborne, so I do preventive. Some more 60 SPF. This I brought from Sephora. It's my lipstick, Christian Dior. It's pretty good. This is like, I like to carry not liquid, but mostly the sticks, so it's easier to do. What else? And I'm also carrying my sunglasses, which is these. Pretty cool. They're Polaroid. Hope you guys like this video. I hope you learned something. I want to show you how simple it is to pack to go to Ireland. I'm spending 1 month in Ireland. I already booked the apartment, and this is how we're going to be living. We're going to be having an apartment where we'll leave our suitcase, and we're going to be going from county to county. We are going to go to Belfast, and you all know that Belfast is in the border of England. So we have euro and pounds, and we'll be driving to Belfast. We'll be doing Cliff of Moher. We'll be doing the Dark Edges. We'll be doing seeing the Titanic. We're going to see where Harry Potter was filmed. And stay tuned, subscribe, and like this video. Hope it is helpful. Please leave a review. Thank you.